Introducing the 2014 Hyundai Genesis. With fewer than 1,000 miles on the odometer, this four-door sedan prioritizes comfort, safety, and convenience. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the 5-liter 8-cylinder engine, providing a spirited yet composed ride and drive. Top features include leather upholstery, heated and ventilated seats, rain-sensing wipers, and seat memory. Enjoy your favorite music via the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability and 17 speakers, providing world-class sound throughout. Hyundai also prioritized safety and security by including a security system, an emergency communication system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Comprehensive safety includes row curtain airbags and stability control. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. Our team is professional and we offer a no-pressure environment. Come on in and take a test drive.